Welcome. This is a demo for a buyback website that allows you to purchase used devices from the public just like Gazelle.com. So you send your prospects to the website where they can search for their device from the homepage. Or they can click on the type of device they want to sell. We will also add more information about your company like customer reviews, basic info on how the process works, why they should use your company, some helpful links, etc. So when they click on the type of device they want to sell, they will now choose the device storage capacity, then the network, then they will let you know if the device is paid off or there's a balance owed on it. Next, they will let you know the device condition. Brand new, good condition, etc. Each condition is explained in detail when they click on it. After that, they will automatically see your offer on the right hand. They will now scroll down to choose the payment method. We have check, PayPal, and cash for local pickup. But we can always add more payment options if needed. They will now fill out the order form with their personal info on the next page. Enter a coupon code if they have one, decide if they want to print a free label now, have one sent to them in the mail or ship the device with their own method, at their cost. Then they must agree to the website's terms and conditions before going to the next page. They finally get to the order confirmation page where they can print or download the shipping label and print their order details. Here they are also given instructions on what to do next, like how to prepare and ship their device, etc. And they immediately get a confirmation email with the shipping label attached to it. Please check out the video description below to get more details on where to download a buyback script like this for your own website.